Hey there, Licknriffers! If you're new to slide guitar, then I've got great news for you. Today you're gonna play slide guitar. I'm gonna show you a really cool way to start that sounds awesome, that's fun to play, and that will get you into slide guitar faster than you think. Now, you can use any steel string acoustic for this. You can even play slide on electric, you can play slide on classical, believe it or not, but steel string responds best to the slide itself. Now this slide is nothing fancy, it's just broken, but I love it, so I keep it. Now you can put your slide on the little finger or on the third finger, okay? Whichever works best for you, whichever is more comfy for you. Try both, see what you like. Now, the tuning that I'm gonna teach you slide in this lesson is open G, okay, which is D, G, D, okay, D, G, D, and then G again, and then B, and then D, okay, D again. So you have 3 D strings, okay? You have 2 G strings, and you have a B string. Okay, so if you know Travis picking, then use Travis picking, okay, with your 5th string, the G string, the G bass string being your root note. If you don't know Travis picking, just play the 5th string, the G bass string, okay, as a drone. So in order to get you started with slide guitar, we're gonna learn 2 really cool licks. The first one's gonna be low, the second's gonna be high, okay? With the rest of the open strings, because we're in an open tuning. So the first one's gonna include 5 and 3. So the first thing you gotta do is you gotta touch the string with the slide, okay, and just try to slide it, okay? You're gonna slide into every note, okay? So don't worry about accuracy yet, okay? You want to arrive at the steel fret, okay? Okay, above the steel fret. But first, worry about keeping, okay, a neat slide sound without any buzzing or without accidental pull-offs. Then, after you're used to the motion, okay, and the correct strength, okay, because you don't want to press the string onto the fret. You don't want this. You want just to touch the string. Okay? Then after you're used to the right amount of strength, you should touch the string, but not too lightly, because then it's gonna buzz. You need just the right amount until you get it, okay? You can practice like this, okay? And then practice sliding until you get the right note, okay? And you can use a drone, okay? Or you can use Travis picking. Okay, and don't worry if you hear the second string as well. Okay, it's fine. Okay, then once you got this down, slide from 5 to 3 and pull off. Okay, until you get it clean. Now, obviously, you can start slower, okay? this 5 slide to 3 pull off, or just playing 0. You don't always have to pull off. Okay? It gives you 2 different expressions. I'm doing it twice. You can do it once. It's open to interpretation. You'll see once you get it down, once you get the movement and the pressing, the right amount of strength, in which you touch the string with your slide, you're gonna start improvising anyway, because it's so easy and so much fun. It's just the technical aspect that takes a little bit of time. Now, you see that I'm vibrating, okay? It's this motion, okay? Really, really fast as you can take it. Okay? And it's supposed to be dirty, it's supposed to be gritty. But don't worry about vibrating yet, don't worry about this. Okay? Just do it whenever you're comfy with the slide. The second line, okay, goes up to 12. Now, you might be asking yourself, how long should the slide be? That's up to you. It can be 2 frets, it can be 1 fret, it can be 3 frets, it can be 4. It really doesn't matter. You need to go up to 12. Okay, you see, I'm automatically playing 2 strings. Okay, that's just what my fingers want to do right now. Okay, it really doesn't matter. Okay, because it's a chord. It's an open chord. And slide playing is supposed to be gritty and dirty. Okay, it's not supposed to be super clean. Now, okay, so slide to 12 a few times. And then it's chromatic. It's 12, 11, 10. Okay? You can play 0 before that. And then it's 0 and a slide up to 9. Okay, so it's... And that's your second leg. And just notice that I'm using a bass drone. Now, you can play Travis picking if you want. And trust me, you're gonna get used to this really, really, really quickly. Now, the reason that I'm starting you off with the first string is that once you get that first string slide touching thing without this, okay, when you're just when you use the slide to press the string with accurate strength and angle, the rest of the strings are way, way, way easier. Okay, but that's for another lesson. So subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and save your spot in this week's From Amateur to Awesome live broadcast. Okay, the link is in the description, and you can also support Licknriff on Patreon. Link in the description as well. There are full guitar courses on there as well. So I'll see you in the next lesson. Have fun sliding around. Thank you, Republic, for this beautiful guitar, and I'll see you real soon. Bye for now. Have fun.